Okay. Thanks. Brothers, this car was driving well. The owner of the car found that the ignition would not start after filling up at the gas station in front. He was going to call a tow truck to take it to the repair shop to fix it. I said no. What are you doing with that wasted money? Wait for me to come and see. Today we will see if we can solve this problem for car owners on the side of the road. This is the tool I brought. Get in the car. Start the car first. Do you see it? Indeed cannot start. Go ahead and have a look. There are usually two reasons why a car won't start. Either not oil, either don't fire. Let's see if it's oiled first. Unplug this tubing, then let the owner start the ignition inside. See if it is oiled. Help me start a fire. Okay. Do you see it? No problem with fuel injection. Put this tube back first. Then see if it lights up. Remove the spark plug. Wow, look at this spark plug. Strong gasoline smell. The spark plugs are wet. Do you see it? Put this spark plug in here. Then ask the owner to start the ignition inside. See if there is a fire in this location. Help light the fire. Okay. Do you see it? Ignition is fine. Oiled up and ignited, but the car won't start. It is easier to solve this problem. This is because the car owner had this problem after refueling. So now I suspect that the canister solenoid valve is broken. Take it apart and see. This is very easy to disassemble. It's stuck in this buckle. Unplug both tubes and plugs. Look, this is unplugged. Unplug it here too. Unplug again. Wow, you see so much gray on it. Wipe it. The canister solenoid valve is actually a valve. It will open after power on. It turns off after a power outage. I now suspect that it is not closed tightly after the power is cut off, and there is an air leak. Let's try. Find a glass of water. Put this side in there and blow it. Look, it really leaked. Once the cause of the problem is found, it is easy to solve. Don't rush to replace it, or you will spend a lot of money. Let's put the carbon canister solenoid valve on the ground and knock it a few times to return the valve inside. It's like the old days when you couldn't get a station on the TV at home. You can tap it a few times and it will work normally. Okay, let's try again after knocking. Look, there's no more air leaks. Next, install the car and see the effect. Plug it back in first. Put the two tubes back on. If the carbon tank solenoid valve is not closed tightly, after filling up the car, a large amount of fuel vapor enters the intake manifold through this valve, causes the mixture to be too rich, so it's not easy to spark. Okay, the front is all installed. Next, I'll get in the car and start. After a while, if it starts normally. Brothers double-click to support. Next is the moment to witness the miracle. Step on the brake and shift to P. 3, 2, 1, start! Perfect! Do you see it? Very powerful. Go ahead and have a look. Look, the engine runs very smoothly. The problem has been solved. Is it very simple? Follow me to learn car knowledge every day.